We are happy to greet you as you are about to make your vows. Without each other, for better, for worse, in good times and bad, in sickness and in health, for the rest of your days. For the rest of your days. So this is a great come true for the two of you and for all of us, and especially for God, who has prepared this union even before the beginning, before He created the world. So this is a celebration of a fulfillment of a dream. Your dream, our dream, God's dream, the dream of the church. So you are connected to many people. First of all, to God, and all of us here, present in the church and the whole church. And so you are now to be made holy, to be sanctified. That's why you have to take care of it. It is our grace, but just like any other grace, you do not take care of it. You can lose this grace. You will sing your vows, and you will pray, grant us, the Lord, to be one heart and one soul, from this day forward. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, and in death do us part. So remember these words, for better or for worse. So dili kang better, aking na ang worse. For richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. O ang tunaguli sa katapusan. That's why I used to say that in marriage there is no expiry date. In your marriage contract, there is only the date of marriage, but there is no expiration because it will be the end, throughout your lifetime. That is why Jesus in the gospel, we just heard, He said, what God has put together, no human being must separate. That's why the church is always against divorce. Not because the church wants it, but because the Lord tells us what God has put together, no human being must separate. During Simon Living, you are here, you are not alone in making these vows. You are here, the church, and most especially the Lord is with you. And cherish what is this day, and remember it with gratitude. Review your photographs. Now I will, throughout the years, say after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you might forget what you have did, what you promised to one another. So it's good to remember. Celebrate your anniversaries. Celebrate your anniversaries and remember. Because the devil wants us to forget. But our task is to remember. That's why you have to celebrate it. Celebrate your anniversaries. Celebrate your love with gratitude. Because this is one big sign of God's love for you. He loves you and He cares for you, and He wants you to succeed in this new life together as husband and wife. Come pray always. Make prayer as part of your life. Do not set it aside. Pray every day. And center your life on our Lord. On Jesus, with the Rosary, 10 Mass, with the Confession, and entrust all your prayers on Him because He cares for you. Okay, so yun. Hindi ba rin ready na ako? Okay na.